In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies for sequential work. We'll walk through a simple practical example using a task management tool, and by the end, you will understand how to make sure one task automatically follows another in a clear sequence. This is really helpful when certain work can't start until something else is finished. First, start by opening your workspace or project area and locate the specific task you want to work with. This should be the task that either depends on another task or that other task will depend on. Click on that task to open its detailed view. This is usually where you see information like the title, description, assignee, due dates, and any comments or attachments. It's important to open the full task view so that all of the advanced options, including dependencies, are visible to you. Once your task is open, look towards the top section of the task window. You should see a small plus sign, usually near other task actions like adding subtasks, attachments, or links. Click on this plus sign. This is where you'll find extra features that help you manage relationships between tasks, and dependencies are one of those key features. After clicking the plus sign, a small menu or list of options will appear. From that list, select the option labeled Dependency. This is what tells the system that you want to define how this task is connected to other tasks in a sequential way. Choosing dependency usually opens a new panel or a pop-up window where you can configure the details. Now, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Typically, you'll be asked to choose which task this current task depends on or which task depends on this one. For example, you might set it so that design review cannot start until initial design is completed. You may also see options to define the type of dependency, such as finish to start, which is the most common for sequential work. As you go through the prompts, take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct tasks and the right direction of dependency. When everything looks correct, confirm or save your changes. From this point on, your task sequence will be clearer and your workflow will better reflect how the work actually needs to happen in real life.